Experience seamless transition from Copper form submission to an automated follow-up system in just 3 minutes. Let's start with Copper and head to the Forms section. We've crafted a single form, complete with names and custom fields. The workflow is set so that upon submission, both a person and a pipeline opportunity are created. Now, let's visit the form. Typically, it's hosted on your website, but we're using a plain web page for this demo. We'll fill it out with some details. Specify the budget and desired services, paste in a description, set the timeline, and add a detailed description below before hitting Submit. Upon submission, head back to Copper to see the newly created contact and the filled form fields at the bottom. Switch over to Tarvent to see automation in action. In Tarvent, explore the integration setup. The Copper integration includes settings like tag filtering, lead and people sync, and field mapping, among others. With the setup complete, check the audience section where the contact, Jason J. at Breckworks, is now added. Access the profile fields for additional contact information. Move to the journey to see our custom journey map and editor. The journey begins with the opportunity event trigger, labeled Form Submitted. Once triggered, an email is sent, followed by a 2-day wait, then tasks are created based on email engagement. If the email remains unopened, another is sent after 2 days, along with a new task. The personalized email, featuring the recipient's name, is then received. Close the email and return to Copper. The journey flow results in a task to call and contact the new lead. Witness the evolution from form submission to complete automation. In essence, Copper ensures relationship management while Tarvent enhances engagement. If this matches your needs, visit tarvent.com to start a free trial today.